Hey y'all, it's the weekend of Earth Day. Together me and Aw make the Earth because I'm wearing blue and he's wearing green. LOL. But anyways, we're gonna get our little morning snack, sweet treat, before we go, just because the zoo's not open yet.
I, in fact, did not end up getting a drinkity drink or a sweet treat or a morning snack because I got to Dulce and realized I didn't want it anymore.
I'm really excited. I love the zoo. My inner child loves the zoo. My outfit's cute, guys. I know, I feel like it's so controversial to be wearing all this New York and Yankee stuff in LA. But it's fine. It's fine. Guys, we're walking through the zoo right now. We saw the tigers eating. That was really, really cool. It was so beautiful, guys. Oh my god. While I was wearing this shirt, I got him. Showed off. Yep, that's Mina's. So. I feel like this is like the perfect Earth Day shirt, you know? Just living life. Guys, I don't know if you can see it, but there's bees. He knows I'm friend. Not me capturing the elephant in slow-mo.
I'm too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt.
Wow, inside the ball something to try to get the
Yeah, that's a big kitty, huh?
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Hello, Mark and Pedro.
Faces worn out.
Hi. So, if you're new to my channel and you watched that vlog and you probably were like,
What the heck was that?
Excuse me, what the actual
hi, I'm Kilana Destiny. This is the kind of videos that I like to make. I like to make silly little vlogs and I mix my silliness with like my little aestheticness. So if you want more of that chaos, welcome to my channel. You're gonna be here
For a long time.
Okay, bye. I love you.